Postern Gate Tower, Conwy. The archway which takes the path through the medieval town's walls here was originally a postern gate. Postern gates were small, second routes into walled towns which weren't defended as heavily as the main gates. Conwy's town walls were built in the 13th century and had two postern gates. The one at the far end of the quay had a small portcullis and doors. This one probably had doors only and became known as Porth Bach, small gate. When new, this postern gate was probably even narrower than what we see today. The stonework on your right as you descend is not in original form. On the opposite side, you can see protruding stone blocks against which the door would have been fastened. The postern gate was overlooked by the tower, which is now home to a cafe. This tower hosted a Roman Catholic church before a new church in Rosemary Lane opened in 1915. Later it was used by a solicitor's practice. Conwy historian Betty Patterson, who worked at the practice, recalls that after the upheaval of the Second World War, people used to walk up the stone steps to pay child maintenance in the tower. Many marriages had broken down and many children had been born out of wedlock during or soon after the war.